What's up guys, Jose here, shreddeddat.com, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick review of the X3 spotter arms by Titan. So you can see it's just a basic piece of metal and it'll fit a 3x3 rack, and then it has a safety pin on the bottom. Okay, and these just hook up to the rack just like a J-hook would. You just insert this pin right here into a hole and then it locks in place, and then you have this pin at the bottom that secures it even more. So these can hold up to 1,000 pounds of weight, and they're used on exercises such as the bench press, incline bench press, squat, and shoulder presses. Any exercise where you would be getting stuck if you're using a lot of weight, and these are just there to spot you so that you can drop the weight safely without hurting yourself. They're advertised as being 24 inches in length. However, the usable space is less than that. It's about 20 inches. This is a 3x3 rack and it's pretty solid. Stays on there pretty well, and this is the safety pin to lock it in place. And they're advertised as being 24 inches long, but when I measure this, the usable space is only about 20 inches. So I'm going to put this right on the tip here, and we're going to pull the tape back, and as you can see, 20 inches of usable space. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the other one, the one that I had on the floor there. I'm going to show you how to install it on the 3x3 rack. It's very simple to do. Alright, so these are pretty easy to install. You just put this pin right through one of the holes in the rack here, insert it there, and then you let it drop, and this is going to fit snug on the rack. Give it a little push there, and then this pin will go through here into the back, and then we'll secure with that little metal pin that comes with it, and you're all set. These are pretty sturdy, and they can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Alright, so I'm going to show you how these spotter arms work when it comes to the bench press. Most of the time people will get stuck at the bottom of the movement, and that's where these spotter arms come in handy, because if I get stuck, I can just release the bar onto the spotter arms, and then I can go ahead and go under the bar safely. It'll look like this. So if I get stuck here, all I have to do is drop the weight and go under the bar, and I'll be safe without hurting myself. Once you're done working out, you can easily store these on the inside of the rack. As you see there, they fit perfectly on the inside of the rack. They don't stick out at all from the side, so they don't take up any space. So very, very nice piece of equipment. I highly recommend it. Check them out at shreddeddat.com/spotter.